Wow, Carlei, that's a small barn. This is my big barn.
Wow, that's big.
Hi, my name is Katie, and this is my big sister Carlei.
And we're with Signpost Kids. Today we're doing a farm animal puzzle. Let's get started. This is my barn.
Wow, Carlei, that's a small barn. This is my big barn.
Wow, that's big. Well, I'll put my little barn back. This is my tractor.
This is my tractor.
Whoa, that's a fancy tractor. I'll put my tractor down. Here. This is my goose.
This is my goose.
Wow, you have a cool goose.
My goose.
Good job. This is my sheep.
This is my sheep.
Do you know what sound the sheep makes?
Yeah. Meh.
Meh.
Now let's listen once.
This is my horse.
This is my horse.
Do you know what sound the horse makes?
Yes.
This is my cow.
This is my cow.
Whoa. Do you know what sound the cow makes?
Yes.
What?
Moo.
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 This is my goat.
This is my goat.
Do you know what sound the goat makes?
No,
You don't?
I don't.
What sound does the goat make?
It's kind of like a sheep, but higher.
Oh. These are my pigs.
This is my pig.
Do you know what sound the pig makes?
Yes.
These are my chickens.
This is my chicken.
Do you know what sound the chicken makes?
Yes.
What? Cluck, 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 cluck,
Cluck,
cluck,
cluck,
cluck.
cluck, cluck, cluck. Cluck, cluck. Goof, goose, goose, goose.
This is the goose. Can you find it?
Goosey, goosey, goose. Oh, goose.
This is the cow. Can you find it? Oh, there you go. The tractor. The sheep. The horse. The goat. The pigs. The chicken. And the barn.
That's the farm animals.
Bye.
See you next time.